Hello. If you are like a person, this is why I didn't come in car reviews, just so you know, but you probably do if you looked at our channel. And I know we haven't done that much videos, and I know that's stressful, but I thought we would do a video today explaining the trucks. And that the cheapest truck you can get is the Nissan Frontier, and I wanted to tell you what you can get literally out of maybe a mid-trim level Nissan Frontier. So I'm building and pricing one right now on Nissan.com. It will probably look forwards on the normal screen, but yeah. Now I'm seeing what in the world is going on with my phone. Let me listen to the Gene Cab. What's this? Okay. Does the Nissan app work? Because if it doesn't, I can go to a different app. Cab. I'm on a crew cab. Crew cab. I was almost about ready to do the Colorado. Okay. So I'm just going to build and price a Chevy Colorado. For the Nissan app, okay, if you want to build and price a vehicle, go ahead. You can build price off of Ford and Chevy and Dodge websites. They're perfect. Nissan, it just is horrible. It's like slow, it takes a lot of time. Unless that's my whole entire thing. No, it's not. It's just that app sucks. Now, if you were looking for a cheap truck, just use the Colorado as a good example. I know you're thinking, oh, what about the new Ford Ranger? Well, actually, not that much of them are for sale right now, which is weird. I don't know why. Actually, I love that vehicle, but the only problem with it is, because from my reviews, I haven't reviewed any vehicles like the Ranger, other than my F-150 Lariat, but that's not mine, that's the Ford dealerships. I also hope they sell more trucks, too, because they are a good dealership. They're nice to me. They were nice to my friend Cameron. Without Cameron, there would be no Wyatt and Cameron car reviews. Now, of course, I'm the manager of this. I know it sounds weird. But let's see, what's this? Okay, I think I'll... okay. This is going to be okay. All four-wheel drive. You can get a Duramax diesel in a Colorado. Now, I'm just going to get that. Just because I'm a big fan of those. Now, the trim levels, I'm going to do mid-trim levels. Okay, literally, they don't have any trim level for the base mount. Guess what it's called? The base mount. Oh, this is my dog Truman. Say hello, Truman. Say hi, Truman. But I'm just gonna choose let's see, any leather. I guess you don't need a leather. Let's go with the WT. And make it pretty cheap, fairly cheap. Okay, select. Okay, I guess I can't do the Duramax diesel. It's what I'm doing this because I know what people need. I know I sound like a crazy person. I am a crazy person. And that's the beauty of it. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna this. Hey Truman. Here. What? I didn't choose an extended cab, did I? Oh, okay. This is not good. Not good at all. I never did I? Hello, Truman. Here, let's do it on the floor. Here. Here, this is my dog Truman. He's about a year old. He is a year old. Okay. WT. Now the colors on it, there's lots of colors to choose from. But right now, I'm just going to choose the red hot. You won. You got it. Red hot. I'd make a funny song. Red hot. Okay. Hopefully this app hurries up. Wait, did that cost anything? Okay. We have the crew cab. I don't really care about any upholstery at this price because it is very. Okay, I'm just gonna go into the exterior. I'm gonna see what in the world is going on. Don't worry, I'm right here. I'm just seeing what is. Okay, I got a spare tire. Got a spare wheel. Who needs a spare wheel? I'm thinking the spare tire comes with a wheel. Plus, you can just use the wheel off the other tire. Okay, I'm going in the interior. I'm gonna see what does it. It looks. It has a backup camera, which is good for this price range. Front bucket seat, OnStar. Ooh, Wi-Fi hotspot. And we are climbing on $30,000. This is almost about ready to be my longest video I've ever made. I'm really sorry if it's taking forever. Oh, my eye hurts. Come on. I'm skipping the trim. Okay, it's taking forever, but our end price is $26,000. If you don't believe me, look up there. Either way, this is Whiting Cameron car reviews. Now, if you're looking for a truck to haul around your family as a work truck, or if you just need a truck, the Chevy Colorado is the truck. Now, I will review one soon. But for right now, go to your local Chevy dealership and just get a Colorado if you need a Colorado. Okay?